What is up, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your door lights on the Subaru BRZ. Let's get started. First off, you'll either need A flathead, or B, one of these doohickeys. So once you got those tools, you'll need the actual lights. These are the lights I'm going with. The T10s, you can see they're red. Yes, I know the car is blue, but I just think that when you open the doors and you get red lights on a blue car, I think they look pretty cool. So we're gonna test that out today. So this is how you do it. Grab your flathead, and if you can see there, just a tiny little opening. Just put it in there and bend. Boom, there you go. That easy. And then to take it out, it has a button, so you just literally push it. It'll come right out. And then you'll grab your flathead. And I don't know if you can see, but it has a little thing. I've already pushed it. So pull up, and then right here there's like a little plastic, so be very careful not to break it. And then you lightly pull, so you lightly just kind of go to the sides, go up and down. There you go. So you can see it is not broken. It's all good. And that is the stock light, as you can see. So then we just pull that out. It'll come right out. This is the old one. And here is the new one. So as you can see, this one's LED. Much stronger, much nicer. Yes, yes. Look at that. It's pretty good. And then, see if we can do it one-handed. Yay. Okay, so once you have it in there, press down. You heard that click. It means it's good to go. And then we'll just put it together. So let's see if we can do this one hand. Okay, you heard that click. It's a little crooked, so let's try to, there we go. And that is what it should look like. You can see the clip is right there. That's the connection, and that's our new light. So we will try to plug it in with one. Boom! There you go, red lights. And then you just clip it in there, give it a little force. It's all good to go. It's nice and red. So I will be waiting until it's dark, so you can have a better look at it. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe for more content like this. Give it a big old thumbs up for me, please. It helps a lot. And I'll catch you on the next one. And this is the dark footage. Alright, guys, so it's nice and dark, that way you can see the lights. This is what they look like. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but they're pretty red, and I love the way they look. I know the car is blue, but, you know, just when you have those red lights on the doors, it kind of looks like when you open the door, it means exit. I don't know. I dig it. Hopefully you guys do too.